This is my favorite coleslaw, and I think it's going to be yours. If you love a classic BLT sandwich, you're going to love this BLT coleslaw. It's creamy, crunchy, smoky, and packed with fresh vegetables and crispy bacon. Start by adding 3/4 of a cup or 180 grams of mayonnaise to a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1/4 cup or 60 grams of sour cream. Pour in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Follow that with 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper. And finish the dressing with a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Whisk everything together until smooth, creamy, and well combined. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Now add 1/2 medium green cabbage, thinly shredded, about 500 grams. Add 1 large shredded carrot, about 75 grams. Next, add 4 sliced green onions, about 25 grams, and 1 cup of shredded romaine lettuce, about 50 grams. Toss everything together until the vegetables are evenly coated in the creamy dressing. Fold in 8 slices of thick cut bacon, cooked until crisp and chopped into bite-sized pieces. Bacon. Mix until the bacon is distributed throughout the slaw. Add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved or quartered, about 150 grams. Gently fold the tomatoes into the mixture. Marry those flavors. It's a party in the bowl. Transfer the finished coleslaw to a serving bowl. Top with a little extra bacon for added crunch. And a few more tomatoes for color and freshness. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top brightens all the flavors. And that's it. A creamy, crunchy BLT coleslaw loaded with bacon, lettuce, tomato, and every bite. Perfect for cookouts, barbecues, burgers, pulled pork sandwiches, or any summer meal. I know you're gonna love this BLT coleslaw. It's absolutely my favorite.